Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are joining from. You are welcome to Top It FS, where we make trading simple for every trader around the world. And today we'll be doing our weekly analysis using our market maker footprint. And we'll be looking at where are the area we are to position ourselves for a buy or a sell, excuse me. So now we are going to be starting with AUDCHF. We'll be starting with AUDCHF this morning. We'll be starting with AUDCHF this morning. And on AUDCHF, let's go straight to the time frame. And as we can see, for a very long time, this market has been on a bearish momentum. The market has been going bearish and bearish and bearish and bearish. When the market go to this region, the market try and they create a movement and they try to come, they couldn't break that region, which the market is kind of trying to change to the bullish momentum. But presently, let's look at where we can see the buyer and the seller in action in this market. Presently, with what I am saying here, this is where we are. There is no market maker footprint around this region presently. And let me see what is happening on the higher time frame. Based on the higher time frame, where are we expecting AUDCHF? I'm expecting AUDCHF at this region. So I'm expecting AUDCHF at this region. And based on that, we are closer to it. So meaning that if this AUDCHF is going to continue in a bullish term, I'm expecting it to pull back to this region. Let it pull back to this region before they will continue to make a very nice movement. So what are the price I'm expecting this to come to? I'm expecting this market to come to this price is 0.5820, is 0.5820 or is 0.5750, 5750 or 60. So that's where I'm expecting it to come to. From this region, we'll look for opportunity to go bullish. And where is our TP? Our TP will be at 0.5900. That will be 0.5900. That will be our final bus stop for this AUDCHF. So AUDCHF, I'll position myself for more of buy on AUDCHF. Excuse me. I'll position myself for more buy on AUDCHF. I'm expecting a pullback to the price of 0.5820, 0.5820 or 0.5760. So at this region, that is where I'll be looking for my position to continue on a bullish momentum for a buy on AUDCHF. So let's look at GBP-NZD. For GBP-NZD, when we look at the direction, excuse me, we can see that the market has been falling. But if you look at the overall trend, the market has been moving on a bullish momentum for a very long time, now trying to create a bearish momentum. Pending before that, what are we going to be looking at? We are going to be looking at the buyer and the seller in this market. And presently, we can see that the market is dropping and it got to this level whereby it created a high, and when they come to test, they couldn't break the low. They continue to push it forward, which means that what we'll be doing here right now is let's position ourselves and look for a place whereby we can look for a buy. Then the market came to this region. When the market came to this region, it gave us this opportunity to continue on a buy. Then if the market will come, we are expecting the market to come to this region to give us, if this sell is a continuation, we will see there. And if it is not, we'll look at this region as our TP for this buy that is already going. So our first TP is already it. So we are looking for second TP, which is at the price of 2.08. I would like to make 2.0800. 2.0800. That is where we are looking at for a bullish momentum to the price of 2.0800. 2.0800. Presently, the price is at the area of 2.0667. 2.0667. So we are expecting it to come to 2.0700. Once it comes to 2.0700 and it couldn't hold there, then we should expect the market to fly back to the position of 2.0800. So that is where we'll be looking at it. And that is my take for this particular here. I've been focusing my attention more on a buy. And if I'm going to be looking for a sell, look for a sell at those regions. And if possibly they fail to hold there, then we know that the market will fly to this top massively. So that is my take on the GBP XZE. I'll look for more of a buy. On Euro CHF this morning, on Euro CHF, Euro CHF has been trying to drop and drop and drop and drop and drop and drop, and it's still dropping. So, but presently they are creating a kind of a deep pullback right now, and let's see what it will give to us based on what we are seeing on our screen. The market created a high, low, and meaning that this market still want to push to the top. And where is it going to? Presently, they have not given us the decision of where they are going to, but with what we have presently, with the market maker footprint strategy, this is where we can see our final bus stop based on the strategy. So meaning that we are expecting this market to fly to this top. So for this market to fly to that top, then I need to wait and look at the area that will be best for us to still participate on this buy. So for us to participate on a buy based on the movement we are seeing right now, presently the area to make entry for a buy is too far. So which I will never advise. They have come there, they created it, they continue. So they have not given us a second entry presently on Euro CHF. I will expect us that we should hold on because the market still has a potential to fly to the price of 0.9750. 0.9750. I have not analyzed gold. I have not analyzed gold. Yet to analyze gold. So I'm expecting it to fly to the price of 0.9750 before we will see any drop there. So that is my take on Euro CHF. So expect Euro CHF to get to the price of 0.9750. GBP CHF, on GBP CHF, we discover and we can see that this market keep on pushing. So it has given us a low high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So where are we to position ourselves for a good buy? Then expect this market to retrace to this region. This region 1.1050. 1.1050. Expect this GBP CHF to retrace to 1.1050. Until it retraces to that level, there is no position for us to go bullish. So for us to go bullish, then I'm expecting this. So that's what I'm expecting on GBP CHF. So if I'm expecting that on GBP CHF, then where should I take my profit? Where should I take my profit? I would like to take my profit this region. I would like to take my profit at this region, which is the price of 1.1212. 1.1212. That's where I'm expecting the market to get to on GBP CHF. Let's go straight to the next pair. Let's go straight to Euro USD. On Euro USD, if every one of us could remember, I gave us a trade and I told us that this market will come from this region, it will push into this region, which is where our market maker footprint is. And I told us that from this region, expect a massive buy. And this is our first TP. And if they give us first TP and they refuse to pull back, then this is the next region that we are going to take our second TP, which the market has given us our TP1 and TP2. So what should we expect here? At this region, I'll be expecting a very nice sell. But before I will go on a sell, I need to look at the market to see if the market is already mature to drop for a sell. So, but presently with what I can say, the market is creating a kind of divergence. It's creating a divergence, and which is telling me that they are ready to drop this market. But for me to completely agree that they are ready to drop this market, I need to see an entry strategy. We have our own pattern of entry strategy. Until I see that, I'm not going to make any entry based on this that I'm seeing here. So for this reason, I will be kind of skeptical in taking a trade right now until I see what I am looking for. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a price to break this region. I'm looking for a price to break, retest, then drop it down. Where is our TP1? Our TP1 is at this region. This is where our TP1 is. So from the price, from this price, which is at 1.0739, I'm expecting it to push to 1.0750, whereas the market approached last week. Now this week, I'm expecting it to drop to this price, 1.0620. 1.0620, 1.0620. That's where I'm expecting the price to drop to. So look for your sell entry on Euro USD, look for your sell entry on Euro USD, and expect your TP to come to 1.0620. So that is my take on Euro USD. Euro USD, look for sell opportunity there. Let's go straight to the next pair. BTC USD. BTC USD, I could remember the last time we traded BTC USD. I told us that with this high they created, there, expect a very nice pullback. Expect a very nice pullback, and the market pullback to this region where I predicted that they will come to. I predicted that they will come to this region. Until they come to this region, you don't have any business, which they came to. So now that they have come to that region, they are pushing. And I told them that this is our first TP, 35,090. 35,090, which they have given us the TP1. Now, where is our TP2? Let's go straight to higher time frame to capture where we can get that. Let's capture it. Let's capture it. For me to get that, I would like to put it around this region. Expect your TP2 at the price of, that's, wow, TP2 is foul. Don't let me give us that. Don't let me give us that. Don't let me give us that. let me look at it. Expect the price to come to 40,000, and if he hits 40,000, the next TP is going to be 45,000. Then when he hits 45,000, expect BTC to get to $52,000. So that is where I'm expecting it to get to. So presently, we are going to be looking for a very good entry. How are we going to get the entry? Expect a pullback to this region again. Expect the pullback to the price of 34,500. 34,500. From the price of 34,500, look for your entry strategy on BTC USD. So that is my take. We are still buying on BTC USD this morning. So let's continue in our weekly analysis. Let's look at GBP AUD. GBP AUD, wow, GBP AUD, we said that GBP AUD, we are expecting it to come to this region at the price of 1.8900, 1.8900, and the price came to that region, it kept on pushing and pushing and pushing. So, and I gave us our TP, that our TP is at this region. It's at the price of 1.9150, 1.9150. Then the second TP is at 1.9200. So I'm expecting this GBP AUD to still give us the price of 1.9150 as a TP, and also the price of 1.9200 as a TP. So that is what I'm expecting on GBP AUD this week. I'm expecting a fly to the top. So before the fly to the top will happen, still expect a pullback and continuation. So that is what I have to say on GBP AUD. So let's move straight to the next pair, which is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. On Euro AUD, I could remember that I told us that this Euro AUD will drop and drop and drop until they come to this market maker footprint, which they have already come to the market maker footprint. And at this market maker footprint, I'll be looking for what to trade. Thank you, Mr. Luce. God bless you. Thank you so much for the support. So now, at this region of Euro AUD, on Euro AUD, I'll be looking for a buy entry on Euro AUD at this market maker footprint. Then, what is the next thing? I told you that when the market comes to the area of market maker footprint, look for your entry strategy. And one of the things that I share with every one of you, that you should always use it to guide yourself, which I gave you that for free to be part of my birthday package. And I said always look for divergence there. Then look for your entry strategy the moment you see that. And look at it, the market is at that region, and it has given us a good pattern. And at this region, I'll be expecting us to pick a buy here. And if you pick a buy there, there should be your stop loss. If I'm buying from this region, I've started buying on Euro AUD here. I've started buying on Euro AUD, and I'm giving them my normal TP stop loss supposed to be 24 pips. But I'll be giving them 40 pips. Today being Monday, and you can also learn your entry pattern. But for my students, they are already in since this region, so they are already in profit. But for many of you, I will expect you to look for your entry here. Euro AUD buy, and put your stop loss. Make your stop loss to be 40 pips. And if you want your own stop loss to go beyond that, why not? You can still take that. But for me, I'll be risking this particular one. I'll be risking with just only 40 pips and expecting a return. I'm expecting this market to give me TP1 at the price of 1.6530. 1.6530 for TP1, 1.6530 for TP1. Then my TP2 should be at the price of 1.6700. 1.6700. That is my TP2. 1.6700. So look for buy opportunity on Euro AUD. Buy opportunity on Euro AUD. Then expect the market to come to 1.6700. That is my take for Euro AUD this beautiful morning, according to Nigerian time, 8:37 a.m. So thank you so much. Let's move straight to GBP JPY. On GBP JPY this morning, I told every one of you that I'm expecting a pullback to this region. From this region, then we should expect a continuation of buy on GBP JPY. And as you can see, the market is still pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. Where are they going to? They have hit one of our market maker footprints, which they destroyed as the TP that I gave to you. Now they are the TP2 right now, which is 185.3. So I'm expecting it to stop at 185.50. Then at this 185.50, I'll be looking for a proper sell on GBP JPY. GBP JPY, I'll be looking for a very good sell around this price, around this region. Now, let me go straight because they are the region I'm expecting them to come to. And as you can see, at this region, as you can see, the market is giving us a very good, nice divergence, telling us that there's a transition already going on. There's a momentum already going on. Thank you so much. So there's a momentum already going on presently here right now, which tells us that this market is about to drop. This market is about to drop. So presently, I have not seen the entry pattern here. I have not seen the entry pattern here. This market still continue, and it will still continue to push up to the price of 185.50. So around that 185.50, then I will look for my own opportunity. So I will look for my own opportunity at that region. So for this reason, I'll wait. I will wait on the Lord until I see a very nice, good entry pattern. So, but presently, look for your entry pattern around this price. Expect a sell on GBP JPY. And lastly, if GBP JPY does not give you the entry position at 185.50, then hold on and look at the price. Study it perfectly. It might be that they want to push to 186.00 at a very good price. So they might try to want to manipulate everybody. So please just be careful and look for your entry pattern. But this region where they are, I am very sure that they are about to give us a very good sell on GBP JPY. GBP JPY will definitely fall. So just be rest assured that it will definitely fall. But make sure that you look for your own entry pattern. So that is my take for GBP JPY this week. I'm looking for a sell opportunity. I'm looking for a sell opportunity. Now, let me quickly use this opportunity to tell every one of you, if you want to join our academy, maybe you are a new beginner, you are new to this market, you want to learn about the market, make sure that you take my WhatsApp under my profile, message me, DM me, send me a message, and I will show you. For our beginner class, is $150, and for our master class, is $350. So if you want to join any of this class, you can always DM me through my WhatsApp or through my Telegram so that we can have a proper way of going about it. So that is it for now. Let's continue. On GBP JPY, I'm looking for a good sell opportunity. Let's move straight to the next pair on our list, USD card. USD card, this pair is trying to perform wonders. So I gave us this particular region that they will come there and they will give us a very good buy, which they fail us, and they drop the market, they drop it the more with a very powerful strength that I told us that they will come to this region. Now they came to this region, and why they came to this region, the market seems not to hold at that region. So where is the next region I'm expecting for me to position myself for a very good buy on USD card? So now, if after all we have done, that they couldn't hold it here, what I'll be expecting is, if this market give me a buy, I'm expecting that buy to be a pullback, and that pullback should come to this region. So because they are assuring me that they want to go on a bearish long time. So I told us last week that if this market, with all assurance, I told every one of you that I don't know what USD card will do. USD card will fall from this region. And that if USD card does not drop from this region, that means they are going to 1.4. And look at it, from this region, the market has given us a very nice pips. When we made our entry there, the market has given us 246 pips. That is what the market has given to us. Now, let's look at it. Where are we going to position for a transition to occur? I'll be giving us a price of 1.3627. 1.3627, 1.36. Okay, let's make it 1.3630. 1.3630. If they fail to give us 1.3630, then I'll be expecting the price to come to this region. $1.35, 1.3600, 1.3600. So expect this price to pull back from this region, 1.3630 or 1.3600. So at that region, that is where I'll be expecting a very nice buy. I'll be expecting a very nice buy on USD card. I'll be expecting it at this region. So for this reason, on USD card, I'll be positioning myself to look for opportunity to buy. I'll be looking for a buy during the course of the week. Now, if the buy takes place, maybe let's say by Thursday, let's say if they move this market from this region, and by Thursday, the market comes to this price, I can tell you for free, they want to continue to go bearish. If anything happened before Thursday, and they come to this region, and they pick this market, they pick it back, and they come to the price of 137.50. If they come to 137.50, I can tell you for free, and look for a good position to sell, because this market means that they want to resume a very strong sell opportunity. That is what the setting I am seeing on my screen presently this morning. So, but for that, before that happens, let's still look for opportunity to go bullish. Let's look for opportunity to go bullish. As we all know, USD, America doesn't like their currency to be just be pushing and be destroyed. They always want to do amendments, which I'm looking at to occur around this price, which is at the price of 135, 136.30 or 136.00. So look for your buy opportunity there. And if you look at it presently, divergence is already ongoing. So meaning that I can tell you for free that with this divergence that is ongoing presently, this market has the potential of going bullish. It has a potential of going bullish this morning. So if it has a potential of going bullish, where is our TP? We don't have any other TP than 1.3750. 1.3750. Expect the market to go to 1.3630 1.3750. That is my take on USD. Then let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, I told us that GBP USD will move from this price 1.2100. That from 1.2100, I'm expecting my TP1 at 1.2250, which the market came to 1.2250. And I'm expecting my TP2 at 1.2320, which the market came to 1.2320. And I told us that if they fail to stop there, that means they are on a express long thing. And what is that express long thing? It is this price that the market will definitely come to 1.2500. And as you can see, they are already on the express lane. The market is already moving on the express lane. They will get to that 1.2500. But how they will get there, I don't know. But use what you have learned to look for your entry strategy so that you can get to the promised land. So for many of you that this trade, that believe in me, I celebrate you all. And I believe that every one of you is in a massive profit on all the pairs that we analyzed last week. So let's look at what is going to happen this week on another pair. I'm expecting this market to push to 1.2500. From 1.2500, look for a sell opportunity at 1.2500 on GBP USD. Until the price gets there, no story. USD CHF, before we analyze gold, USD CHF, on USD CHF also, I gave us this trade on USD CHF. When I gave you this trade on USD CHF, the market dropped, and I told you that expect a continuation to sell at the price of 0.9070, 0.9070, and the price came to 0.9070. It dropped the market, and I told them that this is the TP, 0.8980, 0.8980, and the market came to that region. And I told us that if the market fails to hold at 0.8980, then the next junction we are expecting is a price of 0.8920, 0.8920, which the market is already approaching. So now, my take on USD CHF is that let the market come to the price of 0.8920, 0.8920, then look for a buy opportunity at that region. Look for buy opportunity at that region. And if they fail to hold it there, that means USD CHF will drop massively. If they fail to hold at the price of 0.8980, if they fail to hold at its price of 0.8930, if they fail to hold there, that means this market is coming to 0.8850 and 0.8780. So that is my take on USD CHF. On USD CHF, I'm still looking for a continuation to go bearish on USD CHF. So if you remember USD card, when I analyze it, I said sell opportunity is what I am looking for. Now also look what USD CHF is giving us. It's also giving us a sell opportunity, meaning that it will only be a pullback that will occur on the two pair. It will only be pullback that will occur on the two pair. So after the pullback, look for continuation to go bearish. So that is my take on USD CHF. Look for continuation to go bearish. Now gold. Gold. We are now at the point where we need to, first of all, now, if every one of you on this call could agree with me, last week, I told us that I'll be looking for buy opportunity mostly on gold. And I told us that gold will first of all fall from this region, it will come to this place. That it will come to the price of 1910. 1975 or 1970? Which the price came to 1970. When it comes to 1970, I told everybody that look for a buy and look for your TP, let it come to 2000. Now, any one of you who can remember that, tell me that I can remember well and I partake from that market. If you partook out of the market, let me see in the chat box. Let me see in the chat box. All the gold miners, let me see your hand. Let me see if you truly pick what I told you. 40 Lipsy said, I partook out of the gold. Mira said, I can remember. Okay. Albright said, you are wonderful, sir. So, I partake in it, sir. I can remember well, but I didn't trade gold. Okay. Nice one. I'm still there. Nice one. So, Owolawi Busayo said, I remember, but I didn't. You are afraid. Nice one. So now let's look what is going to happen. Let's look what is going to happen on gold. Let's look what is going to happen on gold. On gold this morning on gold, let's see what is going to happen on gold this morning. Gold really want to play a very smart game on us, and we need to also play smart with gold. Presently, gold is still just going to drop. It's still going to drop. It will still drop further, and I'm expecting it to drop further to the same price. I'm expecting it to drop the same further to this price. I'm expecting it to come to this region. That is the price of 1975. 1975 or 1968. 1975 or 1968. That is where I'm expecting gold to come to. But there will be a very small little pullback. And the little pullback might get to the price of 1992. 1992, before they will not drop it fully to this 1969. So now, at 1969, if they fail to hold gold for us at 1969, then know that they will bring it to 1950. 1950. 1950. So until we see all those prerequisites, I will never give any new direction on gold. But presently on gold wants to come down. Gold wants to come down. Gold is preparing to fall. Now, for me to give a very good price on gold, now look at this region. At this region, I'm expecting something swift. At this region, I'm expecting something sweet at this region. Meaning that if gold drop the price of 1970 or 1969, if gold drop to that price, they will create a pullback. If gold drop to this price, they will now create a pullback back to this price. So to the price of 1990 or 1995. 1990 or 1995. So from that region, then they will not drop gold massively. They will drop it to 1950. So that is my take on gold this morning. So I will rather advise many of us, because I think the war is already calm. So there is peace going on right now. So there is a dialogue going on right now. So I don't know if Hamas will listen to the world, and if Israel also will listen to the world. So it now depends on both of them. If there's still if this serenity, if this peace still continue, then just expect only pullback to this region. expect only pullback. Don't expect a buy. Expect massive sell, which I'm seeing massive sell this week. That is my analysis. I'm going for a sell opportunity. But before I position myself for sell opportunity, I must see gold fly back to this price, 1990 or 1995. That is where I want to buy, I want to sell gold. Until the price comes to that region, I am not doing anything with gold. If price doesn't come there, I will not sell gold. That is me. And many of you have been following me for a very long time, and you know that I'm a very disciplined trader. So I look at my risk management. That is what I look at. And that is what I am expecting on gold. So I'm expecting gold to come to 1969. Once it comes to 1969, I will expect it to give me a pullback to 1990 or 1995. Then from 1995, we will now look for a very good sell opportunity and enjoy the trade to 1950. Ishikon, that is what I have to say on gold this morning. So I celebrate every one of you. And please, if you have time, take USD CHF again. Take USD CHF again. Okay? Okay, let me go straight there. So I believe everybody are clear on gold this morning. I believe everybody are clear on gold this morning. Let me go straight to USD CHF. Let me go straight to USD CHF. USD CHF, I said this market will still proceed further to the price of 0.8930. 0.8930. From 0.8930, look for a buy opportunity there. So that is what I said. And that is all I have to analyze. And thank you for coming. Thank you for joining Topic FX to do analysis together with me. If you have any question, you can drop it in the chat box and I will reply, and tell me what you want me to do this morning and anytime you meet it. God bless you. See you next time. God bless you. Remain blessed.